Hello, welcome to another video about the LabVIEW waveform. Today we'll see how you can create multiple waveform in a single graph. Okay, for that let me take some random number. Let's say this is upper bound and this is lower bound. This is 0 to 100 and this is, let's say, 0 to 80. This is 0 to 50. Okay, assume that we have a three random number generator, 0 to 100, 0 to 80 and 0 to 50, and I want this number generation on the graph. On the single graph all three numbers should be shown. Okay, first combine this one by build array function. Okay, connect this one here and extend it for the three way. This one and then this one. Now take a for loop. Okay, and here from the waveform build waveform. Extend this one, T naught sorry, again build, not here, this should be connected to like this and then this. Okay, let's take the time function, connect this one to this one, and on the graph take the graph. Let's say I take from the Fuse design system, and here the graph is here, this is the graph. Extend it, set this values to maximum 100. Okay, and now connect this one to like this. Okay, and this all function should be in a loop. Create a constant false, give some delay, let's say 500 second delay. Try. Now you can see that all the random numbers 3, it is showing on the same graph. Okay, with the maximum value will be 100. Now just do some formatting in the graph, that if you don't want to see the date, you can do some formatting in the time axis. Let's say go to the plot. Okay, plot scale x-axis. First go to data format, system custom time. Okay, and date unused, and this is time, only time. You can increase this time scale by plot scale x-axis. You can give maximum value 0 to 300 second, means 5 mint. Okay, okay, just okay. Now check it again. Because the time scale is very big, this is 5 mint, 3.07 to 3.01, it is the actually 5 minutes. That's why you are saying very congested waveform. You can make it, let's say, 1 second, not 1 second, 1 mint, in order to see little open waveform. Let's say 60 second. Okay, now check it. It is little bit better. So all the waveform you can see here with respect to the time. The time is important. On the x-axis you have the time axis, and y-axis you have the amplitude. So I think this is enough for the to creating the multiple graph on the single waveform. You can create like in this way. One more thing, you can also extend this one to check. Let's say this is graph 1, graph 2 and graph 3. Graph 1 is the maximum range. Let's say you can give 100. Okay, 100 showing is the maximum range. Graph 2 is the maximum range is 80, and graph 3 is 50, so that you can easily understand that blue line is actually showing the 0 to 100 random number. You can see it is going to 100, blue line. 80 line showing 0 to 80 in the range of 0 to 80, and the 50 is showing the graph number 3 for this random number. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.